We're in Encino, California, 4651 Hayvenhurst Avenue, and this is Hayvenhurst. And in 1968, the Jacksons moved right here to California. I might just get a quick look into Hayvenhurst. So this is Hayvenhurst. Let's just have a quick look in there. That looks pretty amazing. And there we go. We got a good look in, and you can see right up there is the welcome sign. So look at that. We've got a great view of Hayvenhurst. So the Jackson family moved to California with Motown Records, for which they performed here at California. That was Jack Hansen's Beverly Hills, the Daisy. So it's remained in the Jackson family, and I believe Paris Jackson currently lives here as well. It's got 5 bedrooms, but 7 bathrooms. It's also got 3 shops, a candy, a puppet, and an ice cream shop. In the 1980s, there was an edition of Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs, theatre, and a koi pond. The property was built in 1907. I believe the Jacksons moved in 1971. Michael Jackson actually lived here until 1987, until he bought Neverland. So lucky to be here at Hayvenhurst, and that was really great when the gates actually opened there. We got to see in, and I zoomed in quite well. I would love to actually go in here, and I think later on in the year the Jackson family do open it up for quite a few $100-odd, but it all goes to charity here in Los Angeles. But how cool would that be to actually go into Hayvenhurst? This is where Michael Jackson lived until 1987, until he moved to Neverland. So yeah, I'm going to touch the mailbox and the wall there. This is Hayvenhurst. This is so cool. So Glynn is going to touch the gate at Hayvenhurst. There you go. Former home to Michael Jackson. How fabulous is that? So yeah, private property. I'm guessing this one at the side is probably a completely different home. But how lucky are these guys to be living right next door to Hayvenhurst as well. But yeah, I think that's a different property. But this one is wonderful, and you can see if you're looking for it there, with the house number is there, 4645 Hayvenhurst. I'm wondering whether the side gate here, oh, that's 4643. So again, that's a completely different home there at the side. But yeah, these lucky people up there, these lucky people also live next door to Hayvenhurst, or yeah. So the main driveway to Hayvenhurst is, and there we go, Hayvenhurst. Wonderful. There's a bit of a shot at Hayvenhurst.